Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track package on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders right here and find exact order that you want to track and click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now your screen should look something similar to what I have on my screen. This is a screenshot of tracking information page. So basically you can see here your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping details right here. So my screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but yours can say something like shipped, ready for delivery, etc. It all depends on at which exactly your stage your package is. But if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by using this button, copy button, and paste it to universal tracker. For example, the one tracker that AliExpress suggests me to use is named 17 track. So you paste it and it will show you more detailed information about your shipping updates of your order. But actually it doesn't really matter which exactly tracker you use, because they all work according to similar principle. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.